People matter. This is the melody underscoring every song and action of local singer-songwriter Bethany Eagan, who instead of seeking fame or fortune, does everything according to what she believes will help people the most.
I care about people. From my experience in the world, things and jobs and success and even ideas, they just don't matter as much as people do.
Eagan sings many of her songs at The Rock, a Christian ministry she is involved in on campus. Otherwise, she is usually in class hanging out with friends or working as a nanny, among other things. But Eagan hopes to add another task to that list, and that is to make a difference.
If I want a job that's going to affect the most people, I think it would be teaching, and that's why I want to be a teacher, because I want to have the chance to speak into kids' lives as they're learning to be adults, as they're learning what's true.
Last year, Eagan created a magazine to that effect, featuring stories from peers in her student ministry to combat the messages aimed at youth in media and literature today.
We read magazines that are supposedly real life, that talk about problems and solutions, but the people that I know that match their lives up with the Bible, they don't struggle with a lot of the same things that those magazines portray. They have answers that change their lives, and I consider that to be real.
For now, Eagan's songs are her main medium to influence the world, but someday she'll be doing that in the classroom.